Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Unfortunately, it looks like Vele Usibongile is going to continue with her catering thing, with how she dresses and stuff. It's disappointing, Uguti. This company does not want them to dress appropriately to cover themselves. They need flesh to be seen, but I don't see it ending well for them, this business and their relationship. Then umfana lo ongenile emusha estorini, umntana kababa umdala, alanda ubaba umdala athi phela uKwenzo is extremely kind nje, uyangicika nje, can we just deal with that and remove him from my life? Ubaba umdala wami explain ukuthi it's impossible for us to do that because uKwenzo is your biological brother. Yo, athi shem angeke akukhonakali uKwenzo umntwana kanjengaye, ungazilethi nje izinto ezikude nathi, izinto engeke siziqede. Anje I'm not agreeing, I'm not in favor. Ngiyayiphika nje, ngiyayibhidlisa yonke lento le. Now at this point uPhetheni is told ukuthi iqiniso kumele kuphunywe. Phunywe mele iqiniso liphume, and uPhetheni uthi ulele kanye nalo baba, like they only had sex once, but ekanyeni loyo it means they didn't use protection, and that's when uKwenzo was conceived. The question mina engizibuza yona ukuthi uKwenzo uzothini, but also I like that. Okay, not I like that. I understand that the father should be umuntu kaDlamini because the storyline is Sibongile and the Dlaminis, and Usibongile revolves around uKwenzo. But also, in an event where Usibongile dies or something, will the show still be called Usibongile and the Dlaminis, or will Ukwenzo and Usibongile have a child and they will name that child Usibongile just for the storyline to continue as Usibongile and the Dlaminis? I don't know, man. But I just think they should have named it something else. Also, uPhetheni has decided ukuthi iqiniso kumele bafe nalo. Question is, because of ubaba umdala sekatshele umuntu eyi-1, will he not also tell uNjengaye because uyafa uyavuka noNjengaye? Uzothula or iqiniso luzophuma na? And then maliphuma liyokhishwa ubani? Lokhishwa ubaba umdala atshela uNjengaye, or uNjengaye uzotshelwa ulo mfana kababa umdala? Uvelephi ke yena udlala igame yakhe. For that, uVelephi udlala igame yamaqashelana noSamke. At this point we want to see who's going to stand on top. Ayenzeni arrange a date for this girl who is Samke's daughter. uSamke's daughter is smitten by this guy. This guy akamufuni, athi angimufuni nje isikokwana ngisisaphi, hey what kuyonke leyo nkulumo athenge ama-chocolate uVelephi blackmail, and then she got her way. This guy is going to take this girl on a date and convince her ukuthi she's the best thing since sliced bread. What is uVelephi going to gain from this? I think ukuthi ufuna i-trust yalo girl and stuff. Ugirl atruste uguy lo akhiphe iphiri lezi azokwazi ukuzisebenzisa against uSamke. How that's going to land, let us keep tuned in and watch and see ukuthi kahle kuyokhala nyonini.